What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can start investing on a Revolut app. So let's get started. Now first, once you open up your Revolut app, you would need to go to the Invest tab right here. So if you never bought any stocks or financial assets on Revolut, this will be the screen that you will see on your Invest tab. So to start investing for the first time, just go ahead and click Start Investing. Then you would need to verify your nationality, or in other words confirm it. So this is correct and I will click Continue. Now you would need to select your employment status, so I will select self-employed and I will select my income bracket. Now you would need to mark your net worth, so you can just select whichever one of these applies to you. Now you would need to state your investment goal, so you have long-term investing, frequent trading focused on generating income, preserving capital, and investing for learning purposes. So I will just select long-term investing, and now you would need to accept these acknowledgements. So just tick on these boxes and click Confirm. And after that, your Revolut Invest account will be set up and you can start investing. So to start investing, just go ahead and select a stock, either by searching it or by selecting it here. Now you also have option to buy ETFs or even other investment vehicles such as bonds or commodities. So essentially, just to buy a stock, you would just need to click on it and then just click Buy. So you might get this message because you just created your Revolut Invest account, so you would need to come back once they reviewed your application and accepted it. And that's essentially how you start investing on Revolut with your Revolut Invest account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.